Okay, bigger ride today. Heading over to Seymour. Gonna head up a big, steep climb, and yeah, probably John Deere, maybe Asian Adonis or Forever After. Let's see. Okay, sunny Monday afternoon, start of spring. Let's go down John Deere. Oh, open up the fork. Yep. Oh, I didn't tighten my helmet. Ugh, shoot. Okay, keep going. Oh, whoops. Oh, that's better. All right, right back into it. All right. Oh, a quick sweat. Grip of the stick, but too tight here. Loosen up for the last bit. There we go. Oh yeah. Ooh, nice. Air it out. Oh, good stuff. Oh, that's annoying. Oh, I'm definitely feeling it. Thought I had enough juice for round two, so I'm committed. So hopefully I have enough juice for round two. Okay, for some reason I decided to just keep going up. So up to Dale's, and that'll connect me up to Forever After. But Dale's is a weird one. Starts with bike park style, and then right into chundery old garbage. But still kind of fun. It's got its charms.